All right, welcome back, everyone. It's kind of crazy. I was just on my way to work, and here comes 12:21. I figured I must have missed him this morning. Hey, Tom. Looks like they did pick up the logging cars. You guys remember in that last video, I was like, I wonder if they're gonna take these. I seen Gerald walking out of 12:21. I didn't catch him on camera there, but I wonder if he's going into the 400. I'll have to look and see if that branch is still hanging off. No, I'm on the other side of the train, but crossing up there, crossing the Pensaki River. So they gotta slow down when they cross that bridge. See the tree branch. I think it was that one. I don't know. I'd have to go back and watch my old video, I guess. They might have came out, or when they were doing their walk around, they might have saw it. Probably be them. I guess did their inspection before moving, they saw it hanging. So, all right, everyone. How about that? Like I say, I wasn't expecting to catch them today. I figured I missed them this morning. Orange Freddy. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.